In this video, I'm talking about the importance of the language English in the journalism. Have you ever asked you the importance of English when you're interviewing or writing in the newspaper? Okay, in the previous article, we talked about the importance of the journalism in the English language. Mainly, the focus of this is not only about understanding the importance of the language, but also the importance of using the language correctly when creating journalistic content. On many occasions, great Mexican journalists have the opportunity to attend or cover the most important events abroad. Because of this, it's important to understand that job opportunities are the first one that demand or motivate you to learn the language and to use the technical language of journalism. In the article, it is mentioned that currently in a university they require a certain degree of study of the language to be able to stand over a journalist, and this is make use even clearer that anyone is still having excellence when it comes to practicing journalism in our country. It is very important to have knowledge of other cultures. I mentioned that, for example, in a tragic news story of a famous person, it is very prone to fail when trying to spread information, since when it comes to not understand the language, and especially or where involved in some non-news coverage, can seriously affect our experience as journalists. So I think that at this point we understand that the difference between knowing the English language and knowing how to use it when doing journalism is very different, and that is also very important to know what we are talking about and how we speak it to try to transmit the message.